Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Off-Road's flashlight mount for the YJ Wrangler. Step 1. Locate the two outer seat bracket bolts just below the driver or passenger seat. Using a 15mm socket, loosen the two bolts. The front bolt is accessible from the outside, just below the body. You should be able to visibly wiggle the seat. Step 2. Slide the flashlight mount brackets into place so that it rests between each seat bracket bolt. Next, re-secure the two bolts to the factory and safety recommended torque of 35 foot-pounds. Step 3. Place your D-cell flashlight of choice into the bracket. Once all your hardware is secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone off-road flashlight mount for your YJ Wrangler.